Hi, today we're going to teach on how to do macros on Excel. Before we start, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now let's begin. Let's say that you are tasked to do a format or a macro such as the first name is separated from the last name. In this example, from A to J and from A to Z are first names and last names of our sample names. And as you can see here, there is a balance column. The first thing that we need to do is to head on over to the top right of our screen or to the top left of our screen and hit File. After that, go to Options, go to Customize Ribbon, and make sure that the Developer box is checked. Then hit OK. After that, the Developer button will exist on our ribbon. And from there, what we need to do is to click on it and hit Record Macro. Let's say that our macro name is sample number 1. Hit OK. Now, what we need to do is to do the macro. The first thing that we need to do is first let's insert a new column. And from there, let's separate first names or the first names to the last names. Then we need to select this column, the A column, and go to Data. And from there, click Text to Columns. Make sure that Delimited is checked. Next, check Space. Hit Next again, and hit Finish. And the first name from the last names has been separated. And for the balance column, what we need to do is to head on over to Home and click on Conditional Formatting, and from there highlight in Cell Rules greater than, and let's put it to 0. And as you can see, all the balances that is greater than 0 has been highlighted. And from there, now let's head on over to the Developer ribbon again and hit Stop Recording. And now your macro has been saved. Let's say that the next month or the next week or the next time that you need to do this macro, you have the next or the following example again. What we need to do here is to click on macro and then use the sample or the macro that we did last time, which is sample 1, and then hit the Run button. As you can see here, it is all applied to the new macro or to the new data that we needed to put on macro on. And that's how you do basic macros on Excel. I hope this video helped, and thank you for watching.